Hello everyone, and welcome to part 2 of our Roasting Peppers 101 video series. In this part, we will have a roasting peppers tutorial, as well as a special demonstration of a Moroccan Salade Cuite recipe that uses those roasted peppers. So let's make some roasted peppers. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then line a baking tray with either aluminum foil or parchment paper. Next, you'll want to brush some oil onto your peppers. Brush this evenly, coating all sides of the peppers, and then lay them down on their side. Putting oil on them will help them roast a lot better. Next, roast the peppers for 20 minutes. After this is done, flip them halfway and roast for another 20 minutes. After all of that time is done, check your peppers and remove them from the oven. Then you're going to steam your peppers for about 10 minutes. Place them on a cutting board and then place a bowl over top of them. Finally, peel off the skin, and then you're going to remove the seeds so that you have some nicely roasted peppers that you can add to any recipe that you prefer. Bon appétit! Enjoy your roasted peppers! Now that we've made our roasted peppers, let's make some Moroccan Salade Cuite. First, start by cubing your roasted peppers you just made. This can be done very roughly. Next, add a quarter cup of olive oil to a medium pot on medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic, I minced mine with a garlic press, and then reduce your heat to low and add 1 can of diced tomatoes. Add salt and pepper to taste. Then add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Add the diced green peppers. Then add your sugar. This is optional, but it helps cut the acidity of the tomato. Mix this all very well and simmer for about 1 hour. After that's done, taste it and adjust any seasoning. I added a little bit more salt and pepper. And then enjoy your Salade Cuite. And that concludes the Roasting Peppers 101 video series. Thank you all for watching!